When all else fails, just go find a microwave and a bunch of stuff to put in it to blow up.
So I'm making mac and cheese, and Chad has this trick that I just can't do. I tried it and it didn't happen. Voila! Stirring.
How much?
What's happened?
Look at this. It has holes in it. Why does the bread have holes in it?
We just came here to get the microwave, and look at these pretty tulips. Red and yellow. So excited to move in here. What is it? What? Oh my gosh. If it's not safe, it's not fun. I mean, if it is safe, it's not fun. I said that wrong. It smells good.
After the brief first experiment, we realized our ventilation just isn't enough. So we've upgraded our system to the new microwave random stuff safe 3000.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's on fire. It's on fire. Jeez.
It's just melting the ornaments now.
What's next?
This light bulb. I hate it when I get too much water in the bottom of my microwave. Now's the time for your predictions. How long do you think this vlog is going to go on before I kill myself? Whoa!
I see a big fire.
Oh yeah, that's not kosher. That's not kosher.
Oh man.
How about these two AA batteries? I think we should name it. Good old Celine. This is the FlexiCharge interchangeable power system. Oh yeah! That's real good. That's all good. So we're just gonna take that, put it in the pocket. I'm gonna let it air out here for a minute. Probably not good for our lungs and whatnot. Next, we're gonna put this empty can of Fog Shot in there, or Hot Shot. Get it? I'm a Hot Shot. I'm gonna put number 1 because I am number 1. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Just gonna go ahead and put that down in there. We're making a nice blend of flavors in there.
So I'm going to be putting the CD in the microwave. Whoa, like stuck in the wood.
The wood's on fire. Ouch, it's hot. So, once you get all of your ingredients pre-cooked, you take your cooking apparatus, in this case, Celine, and you turn it vertically. And then the next thing you do, stick all the ingredients, and some aluminum foil for good measure. Then you're going to want to take your brake cleaner. Oh, can's empty. Just go ahead and put it all in there. I'm just thinking about projectile angles.
Okay.
Sometimes 1 minute isn't enough. If that's the case, just go ahead and put it in there for 6 more minutes. With any cooking, you've always got to stir things around a little bit. If your microwave's not working properly, just give it a whack. There we go, that's all simmering together nicely. Yeah, this is all cooking together nicely. You really start to get the aroma of it. That's really what you're going for. You have to find something to plate the dish on. In this case, we're going to go with this beautiful red custom lid. At this point, when you stop hearing this, and there's just a small steady stream of smoke coming out, You're pretty much done. So we're just gonna go ahead and stop it here. And then you just wanna let all that air out. Oh, you see how nice that looks in there? Got that rich red color. If you start with your base of aluminum foil, add in couple of soda cans, the brake cleaner. This is looking yummy. You're not actually supposed to eat the brake cleaner can. You get your base ready, and then you just kind of lightly sprinkle on your other ingredients. And there you go.
What do you call this dish?
This is mellow yellow sunny side up. The mellow yellow is actually the main protein in the dish. The paint adds a lot of flavor, so. And once you're done with your dish, you just want to take your microwave and set it down. Close the door. You just want to take your axe.
Oh no.
And then you just. Most people go outside for this part. Thanks for joining Cooking with Chad today.
Celine!
Celine!
Get away from her! And this is all the way over here. The door's over here.
I wonder if it still works.
Let's not do that, please. Can I hit it one time? I want to make a bigger hole. There's my handiwork.
Come on, Celine. You're such a good girl. You're supposed to see how you hold it. You're supposed to throw it. A little bit harder, that was good. Oh man, he's racing me.
Holy crap, it's really cold. My turn! Which end do I hold? Use the instructions to tell you. Here we go. Fail. Go. Oh, it's coming back! Oh my god! You got it.
Good job, good job.
Come back, yeah. Nice!
Hey, the last time was your turn, my turn.
Oh,
Almost. All right, let Ava try. You're pretty cool, dude.
3, 2, 1, go. Woo! I'm coming down. Yeah! Yeah!
Oh my gosh, they almost got you. Whoa! Almost. Good throw.
Seriously? Poppy, I'll show you.
Where down
Like this, and the ball has to be out, and this has to be up front. Grace. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Next time, maybe you should probably piece it out. Piece it out. Bye. No. He fought on. You hold it. Okay.
Here it comes.
It's coming. Oh. Is that it for the boomerang?
One more.
Alright, here we go.
It's gonna go straight down. The time I don't move.
Oh, gotta get out of the cold. It's really windy.
Well, guys, we just got some Dairy Queen to end our day, and we're sitting down at the boat dock just enjoying it. We had a ton of fun today, And I just want to take a second and thank everybody for tuning in yet again, and all the likes and comments and support. It's just really been awesome. Yeah. So I guess there's really only one thing left to say. See you tomorrow.